working on the forge, and I just thought I would show you how I plan to join these two pipes. So this is the pipe that goes into the hair dryer. There's the hair dryer. It just fits in the end there. But I also have it capped at the end. Beautiful weld. But what I did is, as you can see, it fits on there. Is I just cut a square notch out of this one, and then took my bench grinder here and just kind of ground out the corners to be a little bit deeper. Same with this. I didn't do it quite as extreme there, but just kind of angled it, and it just so happened to be a pretty decent fit with the trampoline pipe I'm using here. And then for this, I needed to pass the air through, but it didn't need to be concave like that. So I just cut a square. That's basically the square I cut the first time, and then from there I ground it back. But yeah, I just cut the square. So we're going to weld this up and go from there. But I thought I'd show you this beforehand. Okay, we're going to weld this up. It don't got to be perfect, because none of this is perfect. And excuse my bad welding, because I'm right new at this. But we'll give it a shot, eh? Oh, crap. Had a problem, but it can be fixed. A little bit of burnout on the other side, but not bad. Anyway, just a shot of welding. Well, she ain't pretty, but it ought to work. The biggest problem with this is I melted a hole right there, but luckily the cutout off of this pipe fit right over that hole, and I just tacked it on. But yeah, the hair dryer goes in this end, like so. Brett's on this rack, and what I did here was, first of all, I welded up, put little welds on the legs. Did that to all of this one. I just did one long bead on this, and I was trying to practice beads. But anyhow, then I also found these, or I have a ton of this galvanized, which I know you're not really supposed to weld, but galvanized tube. So I try to use it in place of angle iron whenever I can, because I have such an unholy amount of it. So I just, really ugly, but it works. It's on there, and then I just took a barbecue rack and tack welded it on. And basically the end product is gonna look a little something. I can fit it down in there without hurting me. Hold it, let me get a better grip on it. Oh, yeah. Well, I don't want to break it, so I'll get it in there and then stop the camera again. Got it real close to being working now with my super safe wire testing methods. It's now blowing air out. I know that you can't see except for maybe some of the particles floating around. But yeah, air is now coming out. So I gotta beat that back and make that look prettier down there so ash doesn't get trapped. Build a trap for the ash trap, and then I reckon it'll be good. And by the way, we don't press the red button on this hairdryer, it just shorts. But yeah, there's minimum air leaking out here. I'm gonna clean it up a hair right there, and then I haven't felt much. There's a little bit leaking. There's little leaks everywhere, but it isn't too bad. Really, I think the worst leak is right there, which can easily be repaired. It's far enough away that the heat from the welder won't melt the plastic. So yeah, I think that maybe tomorrow we'll have to give it a test go. Let's fix that one little spot, and then I think we'll get to fine-tuning the electrical half of this. was a little bit embarrassing there at the beginning. There we go. Put one more right here. Alright, hopefully that patched it up. Sorry about the wire jumping like that, but the camera's right where I should be sitting, so I'm facing it from coming in this way. But yeah, I think that concludes that. And we will start working on the electrical half of this and call it a day.